A pre-dawn police operation in St. Elizabeth has resulted in the seizure of high-powered weapons and the detention of several men. The targeted operation was carried out across multiple communities in the Santa Cruz police area and ended without incident. Kirkwright reports.
A strong police presence before daybreak as lawmen moved into several St. Elizabeth communities in a coordinated early morning operation. Just before 4 a.m., teams targeted areas including Goshen, 7th Corner District and Coke Drive as part of a focus to push and disrupt criminal activity.
At the end of the operation, a total of 5 individuals were detained for questioning. 2 prohibited weapons were seized, to include an AR-15 assault rifle and a Taurus pistol. A total of 140 assorted rounds of ammunition was also seized during the operation.
In the 7th Corner area alone, police searched 5 premises uncovering an AR-15 assault rifle, a Taurus pistol, and a large quantity of ammunition. Despite the dangerous firearms seized, police say the operation ended calmly and without resistance.
I also want to commend the teams this morning for the professional way in which this operation was conducted that allowed it to end incident-free. Those who were at the premises did not put up any form of resistance, and so they were apprehended and are now in custody, and they will have their time in court.
The divisional commander also underscored strong support for the officers on the ground, noting that police patrols and targeted operations continue around the clock.
The public needs to understand that the team is supported very strongly by the management team of St. Elizabeth in the lawful execution of their duties. And we are 100% behind our officers in their professional engagements and in the lawful execution of their duties.
With the 5 men detained and illegal weapons removed from the streets, police say similar intelligence-driven operations will continue as they work to maintain safety across the parish. Kirkwright, TVJ News.